Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Apple Smart Battery Case. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $130. Now if you got an iPhone 11, it comes in two colors, black and white. Now if you got an iPhone 11 Pro or the 11 Pro Max, it comes in three colors, black, white, and pink sand. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. The Smart Battery Case is compatible with Qi certified chargers. Now when fully charged, the Smart Battery Case delivers up to 50% longer battery life. Charge your iPhone and battery case simultaneously for increased talk time, internet use, and even longer audio and video playback. With the Smart Battery Case on, the intelligent battery status is displayed on the iPhone's lock screen and in the notification center, so you know exactly how much charge you have left. Now the case can be charged even faster with USB PD compatible chargers. Now on a side note, I'm going to show you one that I found for $40 that will change the way you use your iPhone. Now it also supports Lightning accessories such as AirPods with Lightning connector, the ones that came with your AirPods, or the Lightning digital AV adapter sold separately. Alright, so all of that for $130. Let's check this out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white shoes.
calm down. Alright, let's start off with the iPhone 11. Now I went with the white color on this one. Nice clean white box. Giggity. Here we go. Okay, so inside you get, let's see, usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. Watch that flick of the wrist. Here's your case. Now let me do the smell test on this one. This one smells like extra juice, all right? When you put this on your phone, you're going to have unlimited battery. Now, let me say this real quick. I'm speaking from experience. If you got an older iPhone, like the Peasant phone or the 10 or the XS Max, this is a must-have accessory. Now, y'all know, at the end of the videos, I always say on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go, major go, or a triple major go. These cases don't even fall into that department. These cases are what I call mandatory. All right. If you got an iPhone, this is the one accessory that you must have. Let's take a look at this case. On the bottom, there's your lightning adapter. All right. So you plug your lightning cable right in there. You can charge these up wirelessly. I'll test that out in a second. Your speaker, your bottom firing speaker is going to get funneled through these holes right here. Okay. Got a little button on one side. Now this is new. I've never seen that button right here. We'll check that out in a second. There's your power button. Volume up and down, cutouts, buttons. Inside, nice felt material. Let's grab an iPhone 11. We'll slap this right on. And this is how it's going to look. Now, you got a little bit of razivity on this one. So it is kind of Slam Boy certified. And one of the dopest things about this case, let me show you something real quick. When you go to your notification center, you notice Smart Battery Case popped up. Now, I only got 5% on this. So we're going to have to charge this up. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge on deck. Now look at this. Watch this. I'll do it again. It's going to show you. Let me start that. Start that over. Stop trolling me. Matter of fact, let's swipe over. All right. So it shows your battery percentage for the case and your phone percentage. So my phone is at 95%. Smart Battery Case at 5%. Now check this out. If I was you, I would buy one of these for $40. Now this is from Zeal Life. This is an 87 watt fast charging PD brick. If you charge your iPhone without the case on this, your iPhone would charge from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes. That's why I said this will change the way you use your iPhone. A lot of people don't know that iPhones charge up super fast. You just got to have the right charger. All right, so now let me check something out real quick. Now, I couldn't figure out what that button on the side does, so I had to do something that I hate doing. I had to take it over to the book like a sucker. Now, if you look at the old Smart Battery Cases, there's no button. So what does that button do? That's actually the camera. So press the camera button to take a photo. If your iPhone is locked, press the camera button to open the camera, then press again to take a photo. All right, so let's try that. So my phone is locked. Press the button. Nothing happens. Let's press it and hold it. Nothing happens. Let's try mashing it. Nothing happens. Let's unlock the iPhone. Now let's try it. Nothing happens. And let's go to the camera app. Try to take a picture. Nothing happens. Now this is a brand new case, so they're probably going to fix that with an update. Nevertheless, I digress. On the back of the case, you got your Apple logo. Okay, you got a power button on one side, volume up and down, cut out for your vibrate on and off, easy access. Lightning adapter on the bottom, speaker grills. And inside the case, you do have a notification LED. Let me show you how that looks. Let me grab an iPhone charger. You see that little LED right there? So this way, if you want to charge the case by itself, when you plug it in, you get that little light to let you know that it's charging up. I love the feel on the inside of this case. All right, so this is the white case for the iPhone 11. We'll slap this one back on. And there it is. 9% on the case, 97% on the phone. Now I'm going to tell you a dope way to use this case at the end of the video. Drop it on that wireless charge. All right, so now let's take a look at the pink sand. All right, now this one is for the iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, let's work on that flick of the wrist. All right, see the follow through? Pink sand. All right, same thing, Apple logo on the back. Whew. Soft velvet material on the inside. Lightning port. Everything looks straight. Let's see, now this is for the iPhone 11. So we'll slap this one on. Okay, 6% remaining, 100% on the battery. Let's try that button. Let's turn it off. No button. All right, so again, that's probably going to come with an update. So what y'all think about the pink sand? Pink sand or white? Which one looks better? We got one more. Okay, so this is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Got the Wesley Snipes black. Let's check this one out. Okay, now I gotta see if I can hit shoes. Let's see if I can hit shoes on the side. Ah, missed. All right, inside, velvet. You know the drill. All right, no fingerprints on this. Matte status. Let's grab an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, we'll try it on the green one. Slaps right in. Now, these cases don't come charged, so you see 7% on that one. If you swipe over, iPhone percentage, smart battery case percentage. Now, let me show you. If you want to, you can charge it like this, using your lightning cable. Bam, charging right up. Now, it's going to charge the phone first, then the case. Or you got wireless charge. You see the green light? I'll do that again. Okay, let it stop charging first. Oh, matter, I'm such a noob. I forgot the charging case is on. All right, so let's go to. I'm like, yo, why is it still charging? Hold on, let's see. All right, let's put it on. All right, now the battery is charging up. So you see the case and the phone is charging up. All right, so we got black, white, and pink sand. Now look, I've been using these cases for a long time, and this is one of those times that like I said earlier, I'm saying this is a mandatory case. If you travel, all right, if you travel all the time. Now, one of my favorite destinations is Las Vegas. So from New York to Las Vegas, it's usually about a 5 to 6 hour flight. Now, the new iPhones, one of the things I will say, the battery life lasts forever. So a lot of y'all not going to need this. But if you travel a lot, even with my older iPhone, I get on that flight with 100% battery on the case, 100% on the phone. I use the phone max brightness like a douchebag, 6 hours straight on the flight, get off the flight, and still have 100% on the phone and maybe 3-4% on the battery, almost dead. Or sometimes the battery dies, but my phone is always at 100. Now, say you don't like walking around with these big giant battery cases on, which it really doesn't add that much extra weight, but a little bit, you're definitely going to notice it. Here's my second favorite reason for using this case. Sleeping with your phone in the bed. Now, you could buy this case specifically for that. And let me tell you what I'm talking about. Now, say you're just going to play ball, you're going to the gym, going shopping. You're not going to need all this extra battery. So what you do is you plug the battery case in, See that little light? Let it charge up in your house. Now you rock out. When you get home and you're ready to go to bed, unplug it, put your phone in the case, and jump into bed. This is going to act like a straight up charger. Now, when you go to sleep, 8 hours, you wake up, the battery case might be on 50% or a little bit less, but your phone is going to be at 100. Now, that's important for me because I don't like missing any phone calls or any messages. And if you want to set an alarm and you're sleeping heavy, maybe you got wasted the night before, put the phone right on your pillow right next to you, no wires around you, and sleep with your phone in the bed. Now, when I travel, I love using this case. It's going to last you about 2 days. Now, with the new iPhones and these dope batteries, like I said, this is a must-have accessory. All right, Apple Smart Battery Case, on a scale of 1 to 10, buy this. All right, buy this immediately. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And if you got an older iPhone, they make it for these two, buy it for your old iPhone too. Okay, y'all, check this out. Now, I was just about to wrap the video up, and I accidentally pressed that button, and look what happened. Yo, it just worked, yo. Bro, it just worked. I just pressed the button, and the camera, oh, look, there it is. There it is. All right, don't troll me. Oh, and it took a picture. Okay, so let's see. Let's try that again. Okay. And take a picture. Now let's try it with the screen off. Okay, so we hit that button. And it popped up. Now let's see if I was hitting the button wrong. Let's try it on this one. Nothing on this one. Nothing on this one. Let's try this one. Oh, that's a dope feature right there. All right, that's a dope feature. Let's see how much battery percentage we got on this case. Let's see. 6%. Let's see about this one. All right, this smart case is on 8%. So it's not that the battery's not dead. Let's see. Let's check this one. I know, live troubleshooting, 9%. So both of these have more battery. So it's not that the battery case doesn't have enough power to make that button work. It's just not working. Let's try slip it off. Slip it back in like a gentleman. Let's see. Okay, it's charging up. Still nothing. All right, well, if you got an 11 Pro Max, that button is kind of sick. All right, that button is kind of sick. Matter of fact, let me try this. All right, let's try to take a picture with the button. All right, so we just opened it and we took a picture. Okay, so that's kind of weird. I do like that feature, though. All right, that's a nice little feature. Let's keep it moving. All right, so I want to show y'all something real quick. Now, I still couldn't get the button to work on the 11 and the 11 Pro. All right, I tried everything. But with the 11 Pro Max, I got it to work, but it's kind of finicky. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So I just picked it up. Let's hit the button. Nothing happened. Press it again. Nothing happened. 3 times. 4 times. The 5th time it worked. Okay, then I'll turn it back off. Let it cool off for a second. Let's see if we can get it on the first try. Now it works. Okay, let it cool off for a second again. I will give it 5 Mississippis. Let's try it now. Okay, didn't work. 2 presses, 3 presses, 4 presses, 5 presses, 6 presses. So not the most reliable button in the world. I hope they come out with an update and fix this because I actually like that. That's a nice little feature to have. So Apple, we need an update immediately. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.